Okay, this is a bathroom of sorts, so a laundry. We've got a air admittance valve up there. Our tray looks like our safety tray doesn't have a trim ring on it. Coming over here, shouldn't there be a commode in here somewhere? I guess, but no, it doesn't look like it. All right. There's a sink over there. It's advertising GFCI. We're using this as the drain for the clothes washer. Why can't we use that drain over there? But so why is the drain in the sink? There's a dresser on the other side of that door right there.